Hello everyone, welcome to another cooking episode of Feeding the German. Today we are going to cook vegetable fried rice. Let's cut the onions, pepperoni, the paprika, the leek, and the cabbage. And instead of leek, you can also use spring onions. And instead of pepperoni, you can also use chilies. There are different colors of paprika, and the one that I'm using here is the yellow one. So if you want your fried rice to be very colorful, you can either use the green, the red, or mixed. Now let's start cooking. Let's add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of oil. Start cooking the onions. Stir fry it. Then add the pepperoni or the chilies. And then the paprika. So we stir fry all of them for a while, and then we can add the leek. And now it's time to add the rice. So what the rice we have here at the moment was like the rice that I bought from the supermarket here in Germany, and it was like so dry. So if you use like rice in the Philippines, which is a bit sticky, you basically don't need to add water. So in my case, I added 3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of mushroom sauce, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Basically, you can use whatever cabbage or whatever green leafy vegetables that you want to use, or what's available in your home. I'm using the Chinese cabbage here because it's the only one that's available in our fridge. And we cook this for 2 or 3 minutes until the cabbage is half done. We push the rice to the side of the pan to make space for a tablespoon of oil so we can fry our 2 eggs. Video, I asked my husband to break the eggs into the pan, and as you can see his very big arms. Let's mix it. We mix it well so that the eggs are evenly distributed, and the last thing that we're gonna add are the tomatoes. So why we add the tomatoes at the end? It's because tomatoes get easily cooked, and then when it gets cooked, it gets so mushy. And also tomatoes add some sourness to the fried rice, hence it balances the flavor. Add some seasoning, salt, and black pepper at the end. You can add more salt or less salt, it's up to you. So this is the finished product of the food that I've cooked for today. If you like this recipe, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. See you next time. Cheers!